I've been thinking a lot lately about how we treat each other at work, and it really led me back to my research on Emmanuel Levinas and how his ideas on ethics completely changed what it means to be a good office mate. For Levinas, ethics is not about following a handbook. It is a gut level responsibility that arises the moment we encounter another person. In the workplace, this means that my duty to my colleagues takes precedence over company policy or personal preference. I see substitution as more than just empathy. It's actually being willing to shoulder a teammate's stress or workload when they've overwhelmed, essentially standing in for them. So this ties into anarchy, the idea that my ethical obligations don't need a manager or a job title to tell me what to do. I am responsible for my coworkers simply because they are human, regardless of hierarchy. This creates an unlimited responsibility where I realize my job description doesn't define the limit of my care. In my daily practice, I try to leave this out by being a radical listener when someone's share a concern, jumping in to help during high pressure deadline instead of staying in my own lane, and always taking full ownership of how my choices affect the team's energy. Ultimately, I believe management is less about managing tasks and more about the dignity and respect we owe to the person sitting at the next desk.